So this is Chapter 7 Area and Volume Review Sheet. If you count up, this is number 12 here. So we're trying to figure out an integral to find the volume of this shaded, when you take this shaded region and go around. Looks like it's y equals e in this problem. Since we are going around a horizontal axis and we need to integrate with respect to y, because both are defined in terms of y, we can't use washer here. We'll have to use shell, because shell, when it's a horizontal axis, will be dy. So to find the volume, first thing you want to do is draw a line parallel to your axis of revolution, and that's going to represent your h, and then connect that line. So I guess there's segments, but this is h and this is r. So I'll show you what the shell looks like after we figure out our integral. So for the shell, it's always the integral of 2 pi r h, and we have to do dy here. And since we're going dy, we'll look on the y-axis. We have to go from c to d. So now we have to figure out what r is and h is. So this is r, this is the whole thing, which is e, minus this much, and this much would be y. So because y is always the distance coming up from the x-axis, so it's e here, e minus y. And the height right here would be this x minus this x. So this would be g of y, and this would be f of y, that distance. So it'd be g of y minus f of y would be this height. And it's the height and radius. Here's my, and here's the height. It's the height because it's the distance between both circles. So that would be your integral to find that volume.